When choosing between remanufactured diesel fuel injectors, it's critical to consider the injector's remanufacturing process. Doing so will take the guesswork out of installing a remanufactured injector. To ensure that our remanufactured diesel injectors perform flawlessly, we first make sure they remain contamination-free during the rebuild process. Every time we remanufacture a diesel injector, we administer a precise, repeatable process that includes replacing every necessary component with new. Let's take a closer look. We replace all shims, intensifier springs, and external O-rings. We also replace all tested nozzles as needed. And we test all solenoids and apply upgrades wherever necessary.